When you have nothing to eat, use this and this.
I normally have some tin food in my cupboard. Slice the onions. Carefully open the can of Pilchards. You can use sardines or tuna too. Then set the open tin aside. Heat up a pan and spray with calorie-controlled spray or use 1 tablespoon of oil. Dip in the sliced onions and toss. I like to toss my onions until it is lightly colored as it gives a better flavor. Then add in the tin of Pilchards. Try not to break up the fish. Toss it gently to mix with the onions. I prefer the fish to be chunky as it's easier to eat and it is like meatier. Then add in some water, about 100 ml. You can add more or less to your liking. Ingredient number 3, tomato sauce. Then add in some tomato sauce, about 150 ml to 200. Again, you can add more or less according to your liking. Oops, I'm running out of tomato sauce. I'm adding some water to the bottle and shake. Here goes, save the day. I'm being frugal, love food 8 ways. Stir and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes or until the sauce has thickened slightly. You can even add some chili flakes if you want. We add a bit of salt and some pepper and we plate up. Garnish with chopped spring onions and is ready to serve. This looks luscious. When we were kids, we normally have this for lunch or dinner. It is cheap and cheerful and delicious too. It is nutritious and you can have this as a dish if you are really skimmed. We normally serve this with rice. If you omit the water, the filling will be a bit dry. Let's taste it. This is good. You can serve it with toasts or mashed potatoes. You can make a sandwich with the dry filling. It is really versatile. I hope you like my simple, quick and easy recipe. Please subscribe and hit the notification button. Until the next round, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. Thank you. Bye. Ciao. Thank you.